Yes, that is a sluice box filled with raw gold. The top of the sluice box there, as you can see, is filled with raw gold, which is so cool. This is exactly what you want to see as a gold miner. It will collect at the top of the sluice like that. If it's collecting all down the bottom there, then you're doing something wrong. But what I want to talk about is the fact that only 1% of the world's gold production is gold nuggets. What you're looking at right now is a placer mine. Neil and Victoria, my co-owners of the Northern Gold Club, co-own a placer mine up in the Klondike, which is just incredible. But this type of mining accounts for a very, very, very small portion of the world's gold mining. Majority of the world's gold mining is hard rock ore after primary source gold, big ore deposits. So if you've ever been to Australia, you might know the Super Pit, which is a really large open cut mine. They also do a lot of underground mining. This is where the majority of the world's gold production is coming from. So then the gold has to be extracted from the ore. The ore has to be crushed, gold extracted using heap and vat leaching techniques, which involve cyanide. It's a really big process. Also, the extraction from gold from ore can release natural occurring things like arsenic. It's very, very different to this kind of mining that you're looking at right now, which is small-scale alluvial mining. This gold is free-form. It's moved from its source. So basically, placer miners just need to get down to the pay layer, remove the overburden, and start washing rocks. So the gold will be in the pay layer, and as you can see there's the wash plant, and this is removing the gold from the dirt using water and gravity techniques. Techniques used to extract the gold, obviously they've changed a lot since the original gold rush. Like now there's loaders and dozers and excavators, but the actual techniques and the if you boil it down to the basics, not much has changed. Just using water and gravity to extract this gold. Since the start of the gold rush, though, it has been almost impossible for you guys to buy this gold. If you want to buy gold, you have to go through big corporations and companies who are in the hard rock industry. But we are now offering a way for you to buy gold directly from this sluice box, directly from the miners, the small guys. We have launched our monthly gold nugget subscription service. If you go to our bio, follow the links, you can sign up. Our first send out is in August. Pretty cool that you'll get to own some of this gold.